Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Good morning, dear students. Today I welcome you all on our this online teaching platform. Today we are going to start our new chapter. Chapter is chapter 12, electricity, subject science, 10th standard. In this chapter we are going to start with a topic known as electric current. Now you all are familiar with this word electric current, but in this chapter we will learn about its formula to calculate, its symbol, its unit to measure. Okay, all these things we are going to learn in detail in this chapter about electric current. So let's start with the definition of electric current. What is electric current? See, dear student, you must come across the word current. Current means the motion of some flow, or it's one type of flow of anything. जब कोई भी चीज मोशन में आती है, एक ग्रुप में फ्लो करती है, तो उसे करंट कहा जाता है. Just like water current, air current. जब air flow करती है, so that is known as air current. जब water flow करता है, so it is known as water current. This similar way, when the electric charges, what are the positive and negative electric charges we are having? ठीक है, when such electric charge flow in particular direction, a flow of current is created, and that flow of current is your electric current. Okay, so as a definition you can see the amount of electric charge flowing through a particular area in unit time is called electric current. किसी भी circuit, now you have some circuit, it has some area, उसका कोई ना कोई unit area होगा, so through that unit area, ठीक है, whatever the amount of electric charge is flowing in unit time, okay, so that is known as electric current. The other definition for electric current is the rate of flow of electric charge, because here we are dealing with the electric charge in terms of time. So it's a rate. Whenever we deal with any quantity in terms of time, so it is known as rate. So here you have the rate of flow of electric charge is known as electric current. Now symbol की बात करें तो electric current has a symbol capital I. Its formula is I is equal to Q by T. Just like electric charge per unit time. Flow of electric charge per unit time. Now Q is electric charge, T is your time taken. So for electric charge, your unit is coulomb, and for time, your standard unit is second. So standard unit, SI means standard unit of electric current is coulomb per second. So coulomb per second is the standard unit for electric current. Now dear students, in the name of the scientist who have invented this electric current topic, or who has presented this electric current topic, so in the name of that scientist, one more unit is given to electric current, and that unit is ampere. That unit is ampere, and its symbol is capital A. Apart from this, we have some smaller units of current also, because we have some circuit in which very low amount of current flow. To measure such unit, we have a lower units, and such units are 1 milliampere. Here M means milli. Here M is known as milli, and that has value 10 raised to minus 3, and A for ampere. This is microampere. In cursive you have to write DU. So this is microampere, in which micro means 10 raised to minus 6. So these two are the smaller unit of the electric current. Okay. Now the instrument which is used to measure the electric current. Okay. Whatever the electric current is flowing through this circuit. Suppose I want to calculate its value. So that value I can obtain through an instrument known as ammeter. So ammeter help us to measure the electric current flowing through the circuit. Then if the amount, now this is the definition for the 1 ampere, suppose from your circuit 1 ampere electric current is flowing. So how will you define that 1 ampere electric current? So if the amount of electric charge flowing through the circuit is 1 coulomb, and the time taken for it is 1 second, then whatever the current is flowing through your circuit is known as 1 ampere. Okay dear students, अगर आपके सर्किट में से 1 कूलम इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज 1 सेकेंड में फ्लो करता है, तो आप क्या बोल सकते हो कि आपके सर्किट में 1 एम्पीयर इलेक्ट्रिक करंट जनरेट हुआ. क्लियर? Now, as we taught that electric current is nothing but the amount of electric charge flowing through the circuit. So what is this electric charge? What do you mean by electric charge? So that we are going to learn in this topic. That is our next topic is electric charge. Dear student, we are having two type of electric charge. That is positive electric charge and negative electric charge. What is the positive electric charge is due to the proton. Positively charged proton create the charge is known as positive electric charge, and due to negatively charged electron, whatever the charge is being generated, that charge is known as negative electric charge. So this way, dear student, we are having two type of electric charges, that is positive electric charge due to protons and negative electric charge due to electrons. Now, as a symbol, electric charge has a symbol capital Q. And its formula is बस यहाँ इसी formula से Q का formula create करना है. Just make Q as a subject. This T will goes to multiplication with I, and your formula will become Q is equal to IT. That is current into time. Whatever the current is flowing through your circuit, just multiply with the time taken by the electric current to flow. You will have your electric charge Q. Now electric charge, as I said, they are of two types. Now this is the value of electric charge possessed by an electron and by a proton. A single electron, a single proton, उनके पास कितना electric charge होगा? So this is the value. ठीक है? The charge possessed by single electron is 1.6 into 10⁻⁻19 coulomb. And negative sign because whatever the charge is possessed by electron, it's negative by nature. That's why this minus sign has been put. Now, similarly for proton is positively charged. So whatever the charge is possessed by the proton will be of positive sign, but the magnitude is going to be same. That is, whatever the charge possessed by electron and proton, as far as your magnitude is concerned, so दोनों का magnitude तो same रहेगा, लेकिन sign will be changed. For electron will have negative sign. For proton we will have yes positive sign. Okay, dear students, and the value is 1.6 into 10⁻⁻19 coulomb. Now next, here are some the notes I have written. See what happens, student. The topic related to electricity was introduced before 19th century. ठीक है, जब इलेक्ट्रिक करंट है, ठीक है, या उसका जो भी इलेक्ट्रिक because whatever the electric current is flowing to the circuit is always because of the electric charge. But before 19th century, it was believed that whatever the current is flowing through the circuit is all because of the positive charge, positive electric charge. ठीक है, यानी 18वीं सदी में ये माना जाता था कि आपके सर्किट के अंदर जो भी इलेक्ट्रिक करंट फ्लो करता है फ्रॉम वन टर्मिनल ऑफ द बैटरी टू द अनदर टर्मिनल, दैट इलेक्ट्रिक करंट इज ड्यू टू द मोशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज प्रेजेंट और इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज फ्लोइंग थ्रू द सर्किट. आपके सर्किट में जो इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज, पॉजिटिव इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज फ्लो करता है, उसकी वजह से इलेक्ट्रिक करंट बनता है. ऐसा 18वीं सदी में नहीं, बिफोर 19th सेंचुरी माना जाता था. लेकिन 19th सेंचुरी की एंड और यू कैन से इन द बिगिनिंग द साइंटिस्ट नेम जे थॉमसन, ठीक है, जे थॉमसन करके एक साइंटिस्ट थे जिन्होंने इलेक्ट्रॉन की डिस्कवरी की. ठीक है, और उसके बाद पूरा साइंटिफिक जो नोटेशन था या साइंटिफिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग थी अबाउट द इलेक्ट्रिक करंट, इट हैज चेंज्ड because afterward it has been found that whatever the electric current is flowing to the circuit is not because of positive charge, it is actually because of negatively charged electrons. That means electrons are responsible for the electric current which is flowing through the circuit. ठीक है, so what they do, they have made some changes, and by doing those changes, what they make is we are having there will be two different direction of electric current in the circuit. आपके सर्किट में इलेक्ट्रिक करंट के दो अलग-अलग डायरेक्शन होंगे. The first direction will be from positive terminal to the negative terminal, ठीक है, and that will be due to protons, due to positive electric charge, that is proton present in the circuit, and that current is known as conventional current. That current is known as conventional current. So in our circuit, two types of current are flowing, one from positive terminal to the negative terminal, and that is known as conventional electric current, and the one is moving from negative terminal to the positive terminal of the battery, that is your actual electric current, which is because of electron negatively charged. Okay, Now students, we are going to start our new topic, that is simple circuit diagram. So what do you mean by that simple circuit diagram? Simple circuit diagram is the symbolic representation of the circuit you have made. Whatever the circuit you have made by using various wires and the electric appliance, the systematic or the simplest diagram which shows the whatever the equipments you have used to draw the circuit by their symbolic representation, that is known as circuit diagram. So in short you can say symbolic representation of the circuit is known as circuit diagram. You can see the definition I have written on the whiteboard, that is schematic diagram which represents the relative positions and the connection of various circuits components represented by their electrical symbols is called a circuit diagram. That means circuit diagram, whatever the electrical components you have used, okay, so whatever the symbols related to that components of that components are there, that you have to use in the circuit diagram to show its position and whatever the other things are there. So here is the simplest circuit diagram I have drawn on the board. This is your the battery, the important part of the circuit which provide the electric charge necessary for the formation of electric current, because by the flow of this electric charge coming out of this battery, our electric current is going to be formed. Okay, now as you know, our direction, what is the direction of electric current is there in the circuit, it is in two types. There are two types. Okay, one is by the positive electric charge and other by the negative electric charge. But whenever the whatever the direction is always shown in the circuit, it is the conventional electric current direction. That means the direction due to positive electric charge. I have written here because here the arrow, whatever the arrows are drawn, that arrow representing the direction of electric current. Which electric current? Conventional electric current. And what do you mean by conventional electric current? The current due to positive electric charge. It will always start from positive terminal of the battery and move towards the negative terminal of the battery. And the electric current which is due to negative charge, electron, that will be in opposite direction. That will be in the opposite direction to this conventional electric current. That is, it will start from negative terminal of the battery and will move towards the positive terminal. So this way, two different electric current direction exist in our circuit, in which always or generally we take the direction of electric current as conventional electric current direction, which is due to positive electric charges. Okay. Apart from this, you can see this symbol. This symbol is for electric bulb. Okay. Suppose whatever the electric bulb you have connected in series connection to the circuit, it is shown by this symbol. So this symbol stands for electric bulb. Apart from this, you have this MA. A means ammeter. This ammeter will calculate or measure the electric current produced due to electric charges coming out of this battery. ठीक है, बैटरी की वजह से जो भी इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज फ्लो करेंगे, due to that flow of electric charge, electric current will create. So उस electric current को measure कौन करके देगा? Ammeter. So ammeter will calculate the electric current flowing through this circuit. And this is your key, most important part. ठीक है, now this key has two types. You can see. ठीक है, plug key. ठीक है, open and close. When this type of symbol is used for key, that means your key is closed. And when your key is closed, your circuit become complete and electric current start flowing through the circuit. But if you are using this symbol for key, this is the key symbol for open key. मतलब आपकी की ओपन है, और जब की ओपन होती है तो सर्किट के जो वायर के कनेक्शन है वो टूट जाते हैं, यानी सर्किट इनकम्प्लीट हो जाती है, डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाती है. इन दैट सिचुएशन योर इलेक्ट्रिक करंट इज नॉट गोइंग टू फ्लो थ्रू द सर्किट. ओके, सो दिस इज द की through which, okay, by connecting or disconnecting we can make the electric current flow through the circuit. So this is all about the simple circuit diagram, dear students. Now let's see some of the symbols which we will use while drawing the electric circuit diagram. When electric circuit diagram draw करते time, what are the appliances you will use, electrical components you will use, so उनके क्या क्या symbols होंगे, ठीक है, and how you will represent symbols in the circuit. It is shown in this table, that is various components. First, electric cell. Suppose you are using electric cell, so its symbol is this. Okay, this is your battery. It's an electric cell, one type of electric cell. ठीक है, a battery or combination of cell, ठीक है, suppose आपने battery is a combination of various cells, single cell you are using, so that is the symbol, but if you are using the battery in which very number of electric cells are present, then this symbol will be used for battery, ठीक है. Again this bigger horizontal line is positive terminal and smaller horizontal line is a negative terminal of the battery or cell. Now this is the plug key, as I told you in this topic. If you are using this symbol for key, that means your key is open and your circuit is also, means your key is open, so your circuit is also open. That means no current will flow to the circuit. Suppose you are using this symbol for plug key, that means your key is closed. So if your key is closed, your circuit will be closed and the current will start flowing to the circuit. Now a wire joint, suppose दो वायर एक दूसरे से कनेक्टेड है, जैसे घर में ना एक वायर को दूसरे वायर से कनेक्ट करते हैं, so to show that whatever the wire is there, they are connected to each other, this symbol is used, means drawing the perpendicular to one another, a dot is being highlighted to show that both the wires are being connected with each other. Then suppose the two wires are not being connected, just one wire is getting over the another wire. Suppose this is the one wire, now through this wire, over this wire again another wire is running, but they are not connected with each other. दोनों वायर एक दूसरे से connected नहीं है, so for that thing this symbol will be used to show that through this wire the another wire is getting over. Now next is electric bulb. Okay, so this is the symbol. To this symbols, one of these symbol you can use. A resistor or resistance. Resistance is that component which control the flow of electric current to the circuit. जब भी आपको सर्किट में इलेक्ट्रिक करंट के फ्लो को कंट्रोल करना है, तो रेजिस्टेंस की जरूरत पड़ती है. सो दैट रेजिस्टेंस इज सिंबलाइज्ड बाय कैपिटल R, और उसका जो भी सर्किट सिंबल है या डायग्राम है, ठीक है, इट्स लाइक दिस, ठीक है. नाउ वेरिएबल रेजिस्टेंस means see we can use two different type of resistance in the circuit. The one which has fixed value of controlling the current, ठीक है, वो एक करंट की फिक्स वैल्यू को कंट्रोल करेगा. लेकिन सपोज आई हैव टू एडजस्ट माय करंट, whatever the current is flowing to the circuit, I have to control it. So I can control that current by means of variable resistance. Suppose I want to increase the electric current or decrease the electric current, that can be only possible if you are using the variable resistance or rheostat. Rheostat is also its another name. So this way, by using variable resistance, you can increase or decrease the amount of electric current flowing to the circuit. Okay, which is not possible in case of resistor, only resistance. And this is the symbol for variable resistance. And next is ammeter. As you know, it is a device used to measure the electric current flowing to the circuit. And voltmeter is the whatever the electric charge is coming, ठीक है. So whatever the voltage is being created, ठीक है, in the circuit, that voltage you can calculate by using the voltmeter. Okay. Apart from this, there is one more device known as galvanometer. Galvanometer is used to detect the presence of electric current at any place. Suppose कोई place है वहाँ electric current present है या नहीं है, that can be detected by using the galvanometer. But to measure the electric current, ammeter means electric current को detect करना हो, ढूंढना हो, तो galvanometer. But if you have to measure the electric current, then ammeter. And if you want to calculate the voltage in the circuit, so you will use voltmeter. So this way, dear student, these are the simplest circuit diagram which you have to draw and learn for the exam. Apart from this, these are the objective topic of various components which are used in the circuit and their respective symbols. So this way, dear student, I end my lecture for today. In this today's lecture, we have learned about the electric current in detail and electric charge. Apart from this, we have learned about these simple circuit diagrams and the various other electric components diagram or symbols. Okay, so we'll see you in the next lecture of this chapter. Okay, as a homework, whatever the topic I taught, you have to write and learn at your home and submit to your concerned subject teacher. We will see you in our next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye.